This is not going according to plan. I've never used this before. It's not perfect. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I figured since it is actually quite a nice day today, I would give it another go at trying to restore my headlights. The last time I restored my headlights, I used the Maguire's restoration headlight kit. It did a good job. The only thing that I messed up with is I forgot to use the UV spray. So maybe after like 2 or 3 days, the lights went right back to being foggy. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the headlights look right now. So that's the first headlight on the right. Not too bad. The kit on its own did a pretty good job. And then that is the other side. Again, not bad. I got this orbital sander from Harbor Freight. I've never used this before, so I have no idea how it's gonna go. This is what we're gonna be using at the end. This is what I didn't use. This is why the lights went back to being foggy and yellow. So for the sandpaper, I have 100 grit, 220 grit, and I also have 320 grit. So I think I start with the lowest, then I just work my way up. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna go inside the house quickly and get my soapy water, then we can start. So I'm just going around the perimeter of the headlights and putting tape on it. And that is just to protect the paint from getting scraped. That doesn't matter too much because I'm gonna be changing my paint anyway. If you guys haven't seen my last video on my plans for my Accord, then be sure to check it out because I give like a detailed plan of what I want to do. Now I'm just gonna go around these parts real quick. All right, so this is the first side taped up. It's not perfect, but it serves its purpose. So I got it all around the perimeter of the headlight. And now let's go ahead and quickly do this one. Right, so both sides have now been taped. So I've got my fiberglass towels, my soapy water, which is here. All it is just Dawn soap and water. I didn't measure it. I think I put like, I don't know, 2 to 3 squirts of soap and then the rest water. So unfortunately, the orbital sander has died on me. I charged it for like 30 minutes, used it for 10, it's already dead. But I wanted to show you guys what I've done so far. So I've used the 100 grit sander. I almost got to the end, but unfortunately it died on me. So I'm just charging it right here. And I'm hoping, I don't think it's even charging. I'll probably need to charge it inside, but I'll probably give it like 2 hours next time, which means I'll probably have to finish tomorrow instead, since it's probably gonna get dark soon. But that's what we've done so far. This is not going according to plan. It's worse than when we started, and I'm getting a bit annoyed. Completely done. We were better off just getting new headlights. We tried, and I'm over it.